this year. The first cabinet meeting of MDA-2 government was held today under the chairmanship of Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. Speaking to media persons, Sangma said that the first decision taken was to bring in the contingency fund of the Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2023, and the second decision was to pass the repeal of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021. Earlier, the government had passed an ordinance to repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021. The Chief Minister further informed that some other things were also discussed during the meeting, including putting up 3 spokespersons of the cabinet apart from Chief Minister himself, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. The 3 official spokespersons of the cabinet will be Ampreen Lingdaw, Marquis Marak and Paul Lingdaw. The Chief Minister further informed that the budget session will commence on March 20th.
To bring in the contingency fund of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2023. If you remember, we had brought in an ordinance for that. So now that the House is in session and we have to bring this in the House, we have brought this now in the form of a bill. Similarly, the second agenda was to pass the repeal of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021. As you are aware, we had passed an ordinance to repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021, and today, as the session is on, we are going to put it in the form of a bill, and the Meghalaya Regulation Gaming Act will be repealed.
National